In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to run DISM Scan in Windows. DISM stands for Deployment Image Servicing and Management. Long story short, it's like a doctor for your Windows system. The DISM command tool includes multiple features to repair a system image. Here's how to do that. Press the Windows and X keys to open the context menu, and click on Terminal Admin from the list. Once open, enter the following command and press Enter. After the system scan initiates, wait until the process completes. This command checks the current system for any anomalies and abnormalities. Next, with the terminal window open as admin, enter the following command and press Enter. The Scan Health option performs a more advanced scan to find out whether the image has any issues. Again, this scan may take some time to check whether the image needs fixing. If it needs fixing, then you can use the Restore Health option. Same process again, with the terminal window open as admin, enter the following command and press Enter. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.